Yep, you really gotta be kidding me. The 16th of April, 2014, Southwest Minnesota. Sorry about my camera here. Anyway, I was just in a town called Marshall not too long ago. Drove from there, got all the way to Minnesota, and yeah, Minnesota. That's Minnesota without an S. Got all the way to Minnesota, and it was roads are pretty good, not too much snow on the ground, but we must have a good 2 inches, so at least 3 or 4 inches have fallen. Two of them are already probably melted down, but like I said, you gotta be kidding me. Anyway, coming up on my place, of course, and there's my greenhouse back in the deal there under snow, and I love Minnesota. Not really. Thanks for watching.